Hey, Tex, I need a,
Hi, honey.
I need a measuring tape. I do. Can you bring me one? Okay, thanks. Alright, let's see. Footprints we can do.
A couple minutes ago, you're inside mommy. Oh.
Can I speak past you, Dad?
Sure. Thank you.
Alright, I have your bracelet for you.
Come on over here, let me see you. Let me see your face.
Take this off until you maybe go home.
Hi.
Alright, and then I need your
Hi, Angeline. Hi, honey. Oh.
Can I have your brown pants? Absolutely.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Never mind. We don't have any. No. We don't have any measuring tapes. How can we not have any measuring tape?
Uh-oh, we're never going to know how tall you are.
No, look what she brought. A ruler.
Hi, cutie.
No, it's only 12 inches.
Does she have a name?
Angeline.
Hi, Angeline.
She's beautiful. Congratulations. Yeah, a baby name sticker would be nice. A what? A baby name sticker.
Hi, Mommy. Good job, Mommy.
Exercise, it's good.
I love you. No epidural.
Shut up.
So strong. My little soldier. Thank you, Mommy.